Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to the Cytology classroom. I hope you all are good and doing the revisions which are important for you all. Okay. Firstly, I should write down the details. Okay. I hope the details should be visible to you all. So the date is 11/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. Date 11/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. I hope the details are properly visible to you all. We are doing the revisions. In revision, we are discussing the chapter 4, Human Development. In this chapter, we are discussing about human development. We discussed that development is lifelong. Development is flexible. Development is influenced by historical condition. So these all things are there which we have discussed. I also told you there are some factors which influence the human development. One is heredity and another is environment. So factors we have discussed. Now today in this video I am going to discuss with you contextual view of human development which is given by Yuri Bronfenbrenner. contextual view of human development, which is given by Yuri Bronfenbrenner. Yuri Bronfenbrenner. She is a psychologist who give emphasis on that how environment play a role in defining the development. Yuri Bronfenbrenner, how it is playing a role, how situation is playing the role in the shaping the development of a human being. Yuri Bronfenbrenner. So, in that manner, we discuss about some of the system. Okay? So, let's study about those systems. See, she discussed about different system of human development. That is, the first is microsystem. Second is mesosystem. Third is macrosystem. Fourth is exosystem. Fifth is chronosystem. So these 5 kind of systems are discussed: microsystem, mesosystem, macrosystem, exosystem and chronosystem. So, it was discussed by the Yuri Bronfenbrenner in a form of a circle. So, just make the diagram also. So, we are going to make a diagram. Individual is here. Surrounded with the individual is the system which is known as microsystem. Okay? इंडिविजुअल की जो सराउंडिंग है वो है माइक्रोसिस्टम. देन उसके सराउंडिंग में जो है वो है मेसोसिस्टम. देन सराउंडिंग में है मैक्रो सिस्टम. देन इज exosystem. Then again surrounding is chronosystem. Microsystem, mesosystem, macrosystem, exosystem and chronosystem. Okay? Microsystem is the immediate environment of the person in which the person is living. Like for example, individual का जो immediate environment है, that included the microsystem. The individual is surrounded with the person with the immediate environment. जिस भी लोगों से वो अभी सराउंडेड होता है, लाइक the person is surrounded with the family, with the school, with the peer group. So that come under the micro system. Then is the meso system. Meso system is talking about the relationship. Okay. Meso system जो होता है, what is the relationship between the person's immediate environment in which the person is living. Like what is the relationship with the of the parents with the child, of the child with the parents. What is the relationship with the siblings. Siblings से कैसा relationship है. That all come under the meso system. The third is the macro system. Macro system. After third is the exosystem. After that come the macro system. Here somewhere is changed. Exosystem come first. Micro, meso, then exo, then macro, and then come the chrono. Exosystem is the event which take place in a person's life through which the person is not directly related. Okay, ये वो सिस्टम होता है एक्सो, ई फॉर इवेंट. ओके, ये वो इवेंट होते हैं पर्सन के जिससे पर्सन डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड नहीं होता. ठीक है. मैक्रो सिस्टम इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कल्चर इन विच द पर्सन इज लिविंग. मैक्रो सिस्टम इज अबाउट द कल्चर. क्रोनो इज द इवेंट थ्रू विच द पर्सन इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड. क्रोनो सिस्टम वो इवेंट होता है पर्सन का जिससे पर्सन डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड है. ठीक है. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द सिस्टम: micro system, meso, exo, macro and chrono. Micro system, meso system, exo system, macro system and chrono system. Okay. I hope this system is clear, which is Ury Bronfenbrenner discuss about. After this, please firstly make it diagram. Now, I hope you all have read it. Now, in the same context, contextual view of human development, one more model is there, which is known as ecological model, which is given by Durganand Sinha. Ecological model given by D. Sinha. The full name is Durganand Sinha. Ecological model. In the ecological model, in the D. Sinha model, he talks about the two layers. The first is the upper layer, and second is the surrounding layer. टू लेयर्स की बात की गई है. ओके. One is the upper layer or visible layer. It is also known as visible layer because it can be seen. ये दिखता है upper layer और visible layer. और उस लेयर को भी एक लेयर सराउंड किया, that is known as surrounding layer. Okay. ठीक है. अपर लेयर, विजिबल लेयर, सराउंडिंग लेयर. are the person which come under the upper layer or visible layer? So in the upper layer or the visible layer, the things came as the family, school, peer groups. These people come under the upper layer. इनको सराउंड करते हैं. Surrounding layer consists of like general amenities or facilities, general amenities or facilities. ठीक है. सराउंडिंग लेयर में जनरल एमिनिटीज और फैसिलिटीज आएंगे. ठीक है. फैमिली, स्कूल, पीयर ग्रुप. और इन्वायरमेंट आएगा, ज्योग्राफिकल कंडीशन, geographical conditions. ठीक है. Surrounding layer usually consists of the person who is surrounded with something, like surrounded with the geographical environment, physical environment, the facilities available at their home or where they are working, then housing condition. Okay, all this come under the part of general amenities or facilities or geographical condition. Okay, I hope it is clear. Please write down these points. Okay, I hope you all have written down. So we almost discussed about the theories of human development, and there were the two theories which we have discussed about, and the two theories in which the first is given by Yuri Bronfenbrenner and second is given by D. Sinha. I hope it is very much clear to you all. आप सभी को ये अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay. And in both of them, you must find a similarity, which is both are discussing about how the situation and the environment is determining the human development. Like Yuri Bronfenbrenner also discussed about different system of the human development. D. Sinha is also discussing about different layers, upper layer, visible layer, surrounding layer, concentric layer, family, school, peer group. That also is also discussed by D. Sinha. So obviously the person जिस चीज़ों से सराउंड होता है, इट अफेक्ट देयर बिहेवियर, इट अफेक्ट देयर डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सो आई होप ये क्लियर हो गया. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. सो वी विल जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द ओवरव्यू ऑफ different stages of human development. So in detail of different stages we are going to discuss in the next video, but in this video I will just give you the overview what are the different stages of human development. Keep it in mind, children, that we are doing the revisions and it should be done in a very proper manner. Okay, so let's discuss. So basically I am discussing with you the overview of different developmental stages, and I discussed with you the Urey-Bronfenbrenner theory as well as the ecological model which is given by D. Sinha. Okay. So overview of developmental stages I already written. So there are different stages. Their name is, the first is prenatal stage. The first is prenatal stage. Second is infancy stage. Third is childhood stage. Fourth is adolescent stage. Fifth is adulthood stage. And sixth is old age stage. So stages of human development is divided into 6 parts. This pre-infancy stage, this childhood stage is also divided into 3 parts, like early childhood, middle and late. Similarly, adulthood is also divided into 3 parts, early adulthood, middle adulthood and late adulthood. Okay. So prenatal stage is a stage, and we can say that it is a period from conception to birth, when the child is in the womb of a mother. So prenatal stage is a period from conception to birth. Infancy stage is a period of 0 to 2 years. ये 0 से लेके 2 साल है. Childhood is a period of 2 to 11 years, which is divided into 3 parts. Like early childhood is 2 to 5 years, middle is 5 to 7, and late childhood is 7 to 11. Adolescent stage is started from 11 years. 11 years child are known to be as adolescents. This is important point. It is start from 11 to 18 years or 19 years. I am talking about adolescents. Okay. I had written in early adulthood, so it's by mistake. ठीक है. So adolescents mean 11 to 18. Now adulthood is divided into 3 parts: early, middle. So early adulthood you can consider 18 to 30. Middle is 30 to, you can consider 50. Okay, late adulthood you can consider 50 to 60. Okay. Now old age start from 60 years to till death. 16 years to death. I hope all the details are properly visible, and this is the overview of developmental stages which I had given. Detail of this one we are going to discuss in the next video. Please take a screenshot or note it down. I hope you all understand it. Okay, and everything is clear. If you have any doubt, we will going to discuss in the classroom. Okay, so I must say, children, thank you so much for carefully listening and observing this video. Thank you.